Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing symmetry chapter. Today our topic is rotational symmetry. Now what is rotational symmetry? When any object rotate around its center, it's called rotational symmetry. Okay, let's take example. First I am taking example of square. Okay, so this is the initial position of this square. I have written here P. Okay, so this is the center of the square. So now this square will rotate around its center. So first turn this P will come here. It means it has covered 1/4 turn and how much angle? 90-degree angle. You all know this angle is 90-degree. Okay, 1/4 turn, quarter turn and angle 90-degree. So after this again if we move it to or if we rotate it to through 90-degree angle, then this P will come here. This P will come here. So again we will rotate it through 90-degree angle. This P will come here. Similarly next it will come here. So if you see now it has come at its original position, initial position. Okay, now we will discuss few terms. First is center of rotation. Center of rotation of this figure is the center of the square at which this figure is rotating. Okay, next is angle of rotation, means in each turn how much angle is there? 90-degree. Okay, this is called angle of rotation, means at how much angle it is being rotated. Next is direction of rotation. Direction of rotation, you all know, if we are moving in this direction then it is clockwise. If we are moving in opposite direction then it will be anti-clockwise, but here we are moving in clockwise direction. Okay, next is order of rotational symmetry. Now what is order of rotational symmetry? When picture comes back to its original position or initial position, you can say, then by how many times it has been rotated, that is called order of rotational symmetry. Like see, 1 2 3 4. So after 4, now it is in its initial position. So order of rotational symmetry of square is 4. Okay, so if without drawing picture you want to find this order of rotation, what is the formula? So total angle, you all know, total angle is 360 degree. Okay, so total angle 360 degree divided by angle of rotation of that figure. So 360 degree divided by 90, you will get your order of rotational symmetry. Okay, so without drawing picture, if you want to find, then it will be 360 divided by 90 degree. You will get 4. Okay, so next I am taking example of triangle. So similarly, first we will fix its center of rotation, that is center of triangle. So this is the center. Now I have marked here A. Now I will move this, I will rotate this figure to this direction. Okay, so how much angle? You all know this angle is 120 degree. And one more important point, that it is possible in equilateral triangle only. Okay, so this angle is 120 degree. So after again rotating this figure to 120 degree, this A will come here. Similarly, this A will go there. Okay, so how many order of symmetry? Rotational symmetry 1 2 3, because after 3 it comes at its initial position. Okay, so again we will discuss 4 terms. Center of rotation is center of the triangle. Angle of rotation means at what angle it is being rotated, so that is 120 degree. Direction of rotation, again clockwise. Order of rotational symmetry 3. Okay, if you want to find it without drawing the picture, that is 360 degree divided by 120 degree, so you will get 3. Okay, so I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you students, have a nice day.